Hey everybody, Kevin here from Humble Craftworks. Welcome back to another entertaining Woodworking with Mr. Kevin show. It's not going to be entertaining, it's full of snot and angst. I can't believe what just happened. Can you believe it? I mean, sometimes you just wake up and you think you're dreaming still. It's like, what the hell is going on? You ever look at something and not believe it? That can't be right, because yesterday it was like this and today it's totally different. You know when you dream of something and you think, oh, if I just did this, it'd be awesome. And then you wake up and it happened and you're like, oh my God, what the fuck? Today's video, we're gonna talk about something that I think I'm still dreaming about. I don't know how this happened, but I'm glad it did, and I'm glad you're all here to see it. All right, everybody, here we go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for all of you who subscribed in the last 20 some odd days, because I have over 1,143 new subscribers.
What?
In like 25 days.
Nice.
That's unbelievable. I can't believe it. It's one of those things that you just wake up and you're like, oh yeah, I wonder how that video did. And you look at it and there's 40 people on there, and then you go take the dogs for a run, you come back and then there's 500 views and you're like, what? Oh, that's gotta be a whatever. I'll come back tomorrow and check it out. And then there's 1,100 views. And the day after that, there's 5,000 views. It's like one of those things you're like, this can't be real. I think somebody's punking me. You know what I mean? It's like the YouTube's is screwed up or something. I'll come back tomorrow and we'll say you still have the original 3,000, and then you come back and there's 1,143 more.
Subscribe now.
So if you're one of those 1,143 people, thank you very much. And to all my other subscribers that watch sometimes, thank you very much also. I'm glad you're still there. I have a hard time believing that this all happened. I think the algorithm changed or something. They went to, oh, let's have the old fart go on there and see what the hell happens. They pushed the button and it was like, oh, look, people actually watched for, you know, more than 5 minutes. And I appreciate every single one of you. I'm not sure what the hell happened. I started this channel 5 years ago because I was gonna have a granddaughter, and just in case I wasn't around, I wanted her to see that Pop is a crazy woodworker, and he's always been that way. And now she's 5.5, and she knows Pop's a crazy person, but he does woodworking very well. I've been doing this for 40 years, not YouTube's, but woodworking as a profession for my entire life, pretty much, except for 5 years I was a union plumber, but we were not gonna talk about that. Everybody makes mistakes, you know what I'm saying? Pays well, but smells like shit. I don't even know what to say, but thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You made the end of my year magical. Now I'm just like, what did I do so much different than I didn't do before? I don't know. So I need all of your help out there. Help me to help you. So this is a woodworking channel. I do have some backpacking things on there, and fishing, and hiking with my dogs. I was a contractor for over 20 years in California as a woodworker. I worked 13 years for a large millwork company. That's where I basically got my start in Humboldt. We built huge Brunswick style bars, traveled around the world. We put bars everywhere, and I'd go and install them, build them, install them, blah, blah, blah. I traveled around the world a lot until 9/11. I destroyed my hand on a job, broke it in 5 places, and I didn't even know it was broke. And then I started my own business because I'm an idiot. And I started a contractor's business back in 2005, I think, and I just quit last year because California prices sucks, and I don't want to do contract work anymore. So thank you all for subscribing and watching. If you could just help me help you with work, I know it's easy. I just take care of my clients. You take care of your clients will take care of you if you meet the right people. Treat your clients well, and your clients will treat you well. And do whatever the hell you can to make them as happy as possible. So I kind of want to treat my YouTube channel, all you people out there, like my clients, by show you what you need to see or what you want to watch. Hopefully you'll tell your friends and they'll watch, and they'll tell their friends and they'll watch. So I want to treat this channel like I treat everybody else. If you want to learn something, email me or comment below and tell me, hey, I'm new to woodworking, I want to learn how to do this. Can you please show me the best way to do this? Whether it's putting on finish, milling wood, keying out lumber, safety equipment, whatever. You can see I have a tool fetish. I never stop buying tools, it seems like, and I never stop learning new things. And hopefully you're gonna see some of this on this channel here, because I've decided I'm gonna start learning how to make kumiko panels. I'll put a picture of it right here. As soon as I saw this and got a book off the Amazon and started reading it, I'm like, how the hell didn't I learn this before? Where the hell was this when I was in my 20s and 30s? I see it when I'm 60. So I've embarked on a new adventure of block planes and chisels, $400 worth of pull saws, Japanese block plane, a big ass 5.5 jack plane, Wood River stuff. Yeah, so if you can help me help you by telling me what the hell you guys want to watch. I don't care what it is, as long as it pertains to woodworking or something close to woodworking. I have a laser beam machine that I used like 10 times and it was like, this is boring and it smells bad. So I went back to doing something else. So I've done most of all that stuff. Anything made out of wood, I think I built it. Caskets I've built urns for people, which I really don't like to do anymore. Jewelry boxes and all high-end custom things. Staircases that were finger jointed together. One-of-a-kind staircases, curved furniture. I figured if I treat all of you out there like you're part of my clientele, and I try to make videos that are good for you all, then you'll help me by spreading the word. Tell your friends, share it with the world. You know what I'm saying? I say that all the time. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll work. The more people I can get to watch this channel, the easier my life's gonna be later on. The one thing I'm not is not a shell tuber. I don't have sponsors. Nobody sponsors me. Is that going to change ever? I don't know. If somebody offered me 10 grand to sell a chisel, I might sell a chisel, and if the chisel sucks for 10 grand, I'm still going to tell you it sucks. Shell tubers will just try to sell you everything. You got enough advertising on the freaking videos already. You don't need any more people selling you shit. Oh, and by the way, buy my protein powder. Look, I got this in a jug, this special blue stuff. It'll make you smarter than the rest of your dumb woodworker friends, and it tastes like raspberry. Yeah, it's good. You should buy some. Link in the description below. I make enough money woodworking than to be a shell tuber. The older I get, the more shell tubery I might get. I'm gonna tell you the truth about tools. That's why the 34 tools, if you look behind me, I probably have another 90 that I could talk to you about. Some I like, some I don't like. I have a habit of just buying tools. Enough of that. Sorry. I have ADHD, can you tell? Really? I just start yapping and talking, and then one thing I look at this, oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I got a problem. So usually I go down a rabbit hole and start buying some tools and then realize, oh boy, there's a better way to do it. I'm gonna do it this way and I'm gonna do it that way. And that's the way this channel is. It's kind of like all over the place. Sometimes I'll make 2 videos in a month, and sometimes I'll make 3. Sometimes you won't see me for 2 months. The more of you subscribe, the more often I'll probably make videos. I'm gonna try to make at least 2 a month for a while. And if I can get to 3 or 4 a month, like 1 a week, that'd be amazing. Like I said before, you gotta take care of your clients first. You're the clients that get things for free. You can watch me anytime you want for nothing, unless you have the premium YouTube, which I'm gonna tell you, I have premium YouTube, because for $7, I don't have to watch any freaking advertising, and I don't watch a lot of music videos, so it's worth $7 a month to me not to have any advertising on the freaking YouTube, which sucks. Thanks everybody. Happy 2026 to everybody out there. Hopefully it all goes well. And with all your help out there, I can help you, you can help me, and it'll be a thing, you know what I'm saying? A thing. That was weird. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching again. You have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. I don't know what the next video will be. If you comment below, maybe I'll make you a video just for you. That's right, Jimmy, just for you. So comment below and let me know what you want, and I'll see you soon. You have an awesome day. See ya. Where the hell did everybody go? Son of a bitch. Happened again.
Subscribe now.